the 4 elementals from SMK St. Anthony, Sarikei, Sarawak.
I'm Joyce. I'm Joanne.
I'm Adeline.
And I'm Irene.
Our school is located at Jalan Repot, Sarikei, Sarawak. Our school consists of 1,466 students, 107 teachers, and 19 non-teaching staff. Since our theme for this year is Wonder Waste Creations, Paper and Plastic Edition,
therefore, we decided to make SAC rack which can help people in daily life while reducing the solid waste on Earth.
One of the problems that our school faces is there is no shoe racks for the students to put their shoes before going into the prayer room or shura to pray. This situation caused their shoes to be scattered on the floor, making the surrounding look untidy, and they will waste a lot of time to find their shoes as all the shoes are same in color and brand.
Our solution SAC Rack can help the students to find their shoes easier without having any problem, and they can sit comfortably while putting on their shoes.
SAC Rack is made from the waste materials that are collected from the school, such as plastic bags, plastic bottles, boxes, egg trays, and newspapers.
The measurement that we use in building this shoe rack is 75 cm for length, 40 cm for width, and 55 cm for height. Meanwhile, for the chair, we use the measurement of 30 cm for length, 40 cm for width, and 70 cm for height.
We stuff newspapers inside the plastic bottles so that it can withstand the weight of the shoes when it is put on the racks.
We use about 15 pieces of box and 16 plastic bottles to build the shoe rack. For the chair, we use around 30 egg trays to build it. We also put some bottle caps below the shoe rack so that it is easier to move. We also provide a marker pen holder for the student to write their name on the name slot on the rack to reduce confusion for their own shoes. We will also improve the quality of SAC racks by using spray in the future.
our team bought some materials from Mr. DIY store such as Mr. DIY hot glue stick, Mr. DIY black pen marker, and Mr. DIY slow tape.
All of these cost us around 17 ringgit.
What's more interesting is, we don't need a high cost to create this shoe rack and chair since we can make a good use of waste materials that can't be disposed in a short time, such as the egg trays, plastic bottles, and boxes.
In conclusion, SAC Rack can help students to save time finding their shoes and help with the tidiness of the school. It's also a good way to reduce the waste material as it is an eco-friendly product and doesn't require a high cost in producing them. This way, usage of valuable resources such as wood can be reduced.